Good morning children. In this video, we will discuss about cardiac cycle in human being. Children, we already know human heart consists of four chambers. Upper chambers of the heart are called auricles. This is right atria, this is left atria. Lower chambers of the heart are called ventricles. This is right ventricle, this is left ventricle. Children, first we imagine all the four chambers are in the resting phase. First, atria are filled with blood by the vena cavas and pulmonary veins. Superior vena cava bring the deoxygenated blood from head and neck. Inferior vena cava bring the deoxygenated blood from hands and legs. The superior and inferior vena cava entered into right atrium. Children, so right atrium is filled with blood, deoxygenated blood. Pulmonary veins carries oxygenated blood from lungs to heart, left atrium. Pulmonary veins entered into left atrium. Pulmonary veins carries oxygenated blood. So left atrium is filled with oxygenated blood. So atria are filled with blood. Atria are contracted. Due to the contraction of atria, blood entered into ventricles. From right atrium, blood entered into right ventricle through right auriculoventricular aperture. Aperture means hole. This right auriculoventricular aperture is guarded by Reichsford wall. From left atrium, blood entered into left ventricle through left auriculoventricular aperture. This left auriculoventricular aperture is guarded by Reichsford wall or mitral wall. So, blood entered into ventricles. When ventricles are contracted, blood entered into pulmonary artery and aorta. From right ventricle, pulmonary artery is originated. In between the pulmonary artery and right ventricle, pulmonary walls are there. In between the left ventricle and aorta, systemic walls are there. Due to the contraction of ventricles, blood tries to come back to the auricles due to the pressure decrease in the auricles. At that time, the walls present in between the auricles and ventricles, tricuspid wall and bicuspid wall closed forcibly. At that time, we listen the sharp sound, children. That is a love. After contraction, ventricles start relaxing. At that time, blood present in the pulmonary artery and aorta tries to come back to the right ventricle and left ventricle. At that time, pulmonary walls and systemic walls closed. At that time, we listen the dull sound, children. That is the dub. This is a cardiac cycle. Then atrias refilled with blood and ready to pump the blood into ventricles. The sequential events cyclically repeated in the heart is called cardiac cycle, children. In cardiac cycle, two phases are there. Active phase is the systole and resting phase is the diastole, children. Children, I hope now you are understood about the cardiac cycle in human being.